Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Grid Connect LED lights. First, carefully plan your setup by determining the total wattage your space requires. Next, select the appropriate LED strip type and color temperature to achieve your desired ambience. Remember to measure the exact length of LED strips needed for your installation. Finally, choose a power supply that can comfortably handle the total wattage of your chosen lights. Now, let's connect everything. Begin by connecting your LED strip to the controller, ensuring you match the positive and negative terminals correctly. Then, wire the controller to the output terminals of your power supply. It's crucial to make sure all connections are secure and properly insulated for safety. Always verify that your power supply's input voltage matches your local mains voltage before proceeding. With your wiring complete, it's time to mount the lights. Start by thoroughly cleaning the surface where the LED strips will be applied. Carefully peel the adhesive backing and firmly press the LED strip into place. For extra security, especially on textured or uneven surfaces, consider using mounting clips. Finally, take a moment to neatly conceal any visible wires for a clean and professional appearance. After installation, it's essential to test your new lighting system. Turn on the power and observe if all your LED lights illuminate as expected. Use your remote control or smartphone app to test various light functions, colors, and brightness settings. If you notice any dim sections or lights not working, troubleshoot by checking all connections and the power supply. Always ensure your power supply is correctly rated for the total load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.